Welcome back. I'm Mr. Short. You're here for Eureka Math Squared, 4th grade, Module 4, Lesson 7. I hope that quiz went well. If you've taken it, you might be taking it later today, or took it earlier today before you went over the Lesson 7. You might take it after you went over Lesson 7. No matter when you took it, I hope it went well for you. All right, so we got to rename the fraction by decomposing it into smaller unit fractions. Label the number line to show the decomposition, then complete the equations. All right, so this sounds trickier than it is. We're not going to let it trick us, okay? Not going to let it trick us because they're already kind of helping us out. So if we look all this, we have 3/4, 0, 1. They wanted us to show what 3/4 is also equal to. If you use the top and the bottom of the number line, it does it for you. So usually we go here, 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 right? Well, now we can do it a little more. So if we look, we got 1 of something, 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 1 of something. So these are actually, if you look, this would equal 1/4. This would equal 1/4, and this would equal 1/4. So we got to figure out what this mystery item is that would equal 1/4. Okay, so let's just look what they give us here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 there. Okay, so if we have 6, we have 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6, 6. Right? So that's 6 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can that help us? If we put 1, 6, 1, 6, 1, 6, 1, 6, 1, 6, and 1, 6, that gives us 2, 6, right? If we did that, we'd have 2, 6 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 6, which gives us 2, 4, 6. No, that's not going to work because that would give us a whole, right? And then we'd have 6 over 6, which is a whole, so that doesn't work. All right, so let's look at the top and bottom. So we can say here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think I like that better. Because if we do that, so we have 1, 12, 1, 12. Does that one work out? So we'd have 2 over 12 plus 2 over 12 plus 2 over 12, right? Because we got here, here, and here. So that would give us 2, 4, 6 over 12. Would that work? No, that doesn't work either. That gives us half. Uh-oh. All right. See what the mistake we're making, and I see this happen a lot in my class. That's why I kind of did it this way. It's not that I don't know what I'm doing. Well, today I know what I'm doing. We need to look at what it takes to get us to a whole, because you can't just count what's colored in. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It takes us 8 to get to the whole. Oh, now it's a different story. We stopped here because that was 3/4. We want to find 3/4. But to figure out the whole thing, we need to know that this is 8 spaces. The colored part's just where we stop. And again, I've seen this in my classroom. That's why I kind of did that to see if you guys would be like kind of talking the computer screen or phone screen or TV screen, whatever you're watching on, saying, hey, Mr. Short, it's not how we're supposed to do this. So now let's look. If we have 8 spaces, we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6. And we have 8 spaces. So this would be 1 of 8. So we can put 8 here, and 8 here, an 8 here, an 8 here, 8, and 8. So that works out to 2 over 8 plus 2 over 8 plus 2 over 8, right? Because we got 1, 2, 3. So if we add that up, 2, 4, 6, now we have 6 over 8. Oops, I put 4. Sorry. That was a mistake. 6 over 8. I was reducing it in my head. So what I mean by reducing is, all right, we have 6 over 8. So that's right. So we're going to put 6 over 8 here. So if we reduce 6 over 8, which we're not there yet, but we're going to get there. If we reduce 6 over 8, it turns into 3/4 because we can divide both of these by the number 2, right? 2 divided by 6 is 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Right? We're not there yet, but that's just showing you what's coming. All right? So 3/4 is the same as 6/8. Got it? Makes sense? Good. All right, the next one says, show that the fractions are equivalent by drawing a model, then write an equation to express the equivalence as a sum. Wow, that's a lot of words. Do what you did up here. Okay? So you want 2/4, which is half, and 6/12. So draw your line, arrows, 0, 1, because nothing's bigger than 1. Oops, there we go, up a little bit. Okay, so 2/4. So we have 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. So we'll put that up top. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. And we want to shade the top. Stop in here. All right, showing that's what we did. All right, now it wants 12ths. So we made 4 groups on the top. We need to make 12 groups on the bottom. What we have to remember along the way is you got to hit the same numbers to show that they are the same. So if we look, and I think a lot of you know this, that to get to 4, we have 2 plus 2. So that means it's half. To get to 12 is 6 plus 6. That also means it's half. So you can put 6 over 12 right here. You just got to show the rest of the work. So that means we need 6 spaces filled in right here. We have 2. So we need 6 spaces. So 2. So each one, 6 divided by 2 is what? 3. So we have 1. So there's 1 12, 2 12s, 3 12s. So 3 12s is the same as 1/4. 4 12s, 5 12s, and then we have 6 12s. I'm going to go 7 12s, 8 12s, 9 12s, 10 12s, and I'm helping on this one because this one's a little bigger. 11 12s, and then 1 is 12 12ths. Okay? So look at what's the same. 3 and 12. Well, 3 12ths and 1/4 are the same. If you divide this by 3, you're going to get 1/4. 6 12ths. We can divide this one more, though. This one can get divided, right, by 2, and you'll have 1/2. So this is also 1/2. Okay, I don't want to get too far ahead, but just so you see, they're all the same. 9 12ths is the same as 3/4. 12 12ths is the same as 4/4. That all works out the same. All right, let's flip over to page 46. See what we got back there? It says, record the factor pair for the given number as a multiplication expression. List the factors in order from least to greatest. Then circle prime or composite for the numbers. Okay? Multiplication expression. Show me how you can get to 17. Factors. What are the factors of 17? So right here is what do you multiply to get to 17? Over here are what are the numbers that you can use to multiply. These are almost the same. This is the problem. This is the multiplication problem. These are just the numbers that you multiply together. And then is this a prime number or a composite number? Search back. Remember, we did these. See if you can remember them. All right, guys. These problems are getting a little bit more involved. Make sure you're paying attention. I hope this helps. Eureka Math Squared, 4th grade, Module 4, Lesson 7. I'm Mr. Short. Hopefully you subscribed. If not, click that button real quick before you take off, and then you can always have a good night.